Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will be fitting, as you can tell by the thumbnail and the title of the video, we'll be fitting the Emerald Strut. So Emerald Strut has sponsored my channel, so they've sent us some stuff out. And what they do is they have a website and they sell car stuff. Not only just do the struts, which you'll see are like when you press your key. Have I got my keys in the car? Yes I do. So my keys here, as you'll see, it's got like the boot button. You click that twice, pings the boot up. So then, do you know when you're carrying like shopping or you've been at the gym and you haven't got hands free, just double click that button, the boot opens, you've got somewhere to put your stuff, you don't have to put them, see if it's raining, you don't have to put them on the floor that it's wet, just put them straight in your boot and you're good to go. Not only that, but it's convenient. The Fiestas don't come stocked with automatic boot struts, so it's nice to have the option now to install them. In today's video will be setting them up, and they sent us some reg plates just to show that they don't only do the struts, they also do other things for your car. That's today's video. I'm going to set the tripod up and we're going to install the struts straight away. It won't take long, it's not a hard job, but just unclips, it clips. I'm sorry that I sound like deaf, I have got a cold, it won't go away. So we'll get straight into it, set the tripod up, and we'll go from there. So this is the package. We'll rip it open, have a look at the boxes. So that's the company there, Emerald Strut. Go on there, order some stuff, and use discount code, it's just Jack. Get 10% off. So you help them, you help me, because if you go and do that and use my code on them, they'll know, oh, Jack's getting a load of people going there, so it'll help me out as well. They'll send us some more stuff. But I'm going to open this box. One of them is either the reg plates, one of them is either the struts. We're going to be fitting the struts first, and then fitting the reg plates. That's a reg plate, Ford Performance obviously, it's a performance Ford car, so I want people to know that. But I think the reg plates, like on my old car, some people didn't like them, some people did. I thought they were pretty cool. I need a private plate on as well, so they look even better with that on. But we're not fitting them just yet, we want to fit the struts. So I'm going to get the next box is open. Nice little diamond on the corner there. Fit the struts. That's the struts there, obviously just replaces them once with the spring in, and then it's spring loaded, stronger hydraulic, and then it sends your boot up when you unlock it. What you want to do is just get a small screwdriver or a little flathead or a trim tool or something, and what you want to do is you just want to pop this clip, one off. Should really have two people, but I'm going to balance it on my shoulder. That one's off there. Because the boot's too heavy for one strut. It doesn't really matter what side. 2 seconds, I'm going to get some help. So, I've accustomed the help with my brother because I couldn't really keep the boot open with my shoulder. Right, I need you to just hard it up. Just tighten it. Swirl it up like that. So we've got little pins in here, you just need to undo them. And then you have like an audible click, and then you put the pin back in, and then you lock it back round. Don't know if you've seen that. Clip it in, and then push the pin in, and then clip it around, and then you've got a clip at the bottom as well. clip with the bottom, same with that. Here, take it off, keep a tight hold of it, don't drop it, and attach it to your lower nipple sort of thing. Yeah, you'll hear a clip, then you just fit that in again, clip around, then you do the same on the other side, let go. So it's strong enough now. I've lost my little red one, so I'm using the pink one. What you do is again, just take the little tabs off. See, that's off now, and the new strut's strong enough to keep the boot open, but just use someone else if they're there to keep the boot open. It keeps the stress off it. That's the old one off. A new one out to pack it. New one out. Take the little pin out. You can see here. Try not to lose it, and then click it up onto the nipple. It clips on, and then there's, like I say, a little hole. Put the pin back in, and then clip that through, and it just makes it secure. That's all that clip does. And then the same on the bottom. Take the pin out. It's over the bottom. Put the pin back through. Then clip it back round like that, and that's your struts on. Let go, Charles. Like that. And now we'll just do a test. We'll close the boot. We're a little bit stronger than the original one, so you need to. Don't be. It was a little bit harder than I thought it was, so like don't be alarmed it's going to be stiffer, because then it's got to spring back up. And you've got your keys. Press the boot open twice, and then you're away. Nobody touched it. Yeah, that's class, that, isn't it? Do it again. We'll show you. The boot's going to be a little bit more stiffer because it's got stronger struts on. And then two keys, press the button. Voila. Cooking on gas. Pretty cool, that, isn't it? Thanks to me handyman, Big Charles. So now they're done, what we're going to do is we're going to get the reg plates, put the reg plates on. So I need to get a screwdriver, take the old reg plates off, and then put them in the plate holder, put the plate holders on. What I've done is just took the screws out, took the number plate off, got the new one here. I'm going to give this a quick clean down, like get all the crap off here, because that's not good for the paint, that is it, so. So line it up. It's in the middle. Lots of little places where you can put the screws, so obviously one in here. It'll be the same on the other side as well if it's evened up. Same one. That's in the other. I've got the plate holders on, we just need to put the plates in. I've got a little key. Plate sits in there, clip it all around. Yeah, I think that looks much better. 100%. Like I say, I know it's quite Marmite, people don't like it. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to go around the front and do the same. As soon as I get a private plate on that, that'll look much better as well. Look. So same again on this side. Line it up. So that screw doesn't really fit in there, so I'm going to need a spacer. I'm going to stick a screw. Plug and fine, don't give us 2 minutes. And that's on. Locked in, and then we're on there. There we're all. Full performance plates are on. I've had to switch onto my phone because my camera's died, but I just want to give a massive thank you to Emerald Struts, who sent us out the struts and the reg plates, and honestly they've been class. What I've done is I've went on, I've set up an account with them, so I have a discount code. It's just Jack, 10% off everything that they do on the website. Put the discount code in and then you can get 10% off, and it helps me because then it gives me recognition that I'm actually doing something and I'm actually reaching an audience, and it's helping them by getting customers, and then it's helping you by getting money off as well. So I really do hope that this helps out. That's it. I'm very appreciative, and that's what I'm working towards, is getting more sponsors, more custom beers. I love the Fiesta. Like, I keep looking at getting rid of it, but I don't want to get rid of it. I love it. It's a cracking on with stuff. So yeah, thanks very much to Emerald Struts. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it helped you. Anyone that was wanting to get automatic struts fitted, I'll see you in the next one. But thanks very much. Peace.